Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this part of the video, I am going to tell you about the differential diagnosis of abdominal pain in pregnancy. Means if any individual woman in pregnancy, if she has abdominal pain, what are the differential diagnosis that we can make? The differential diagnosis of abdominal pain in pregnancy includes pregnancy specific causes as well as general abdominal pathologies that can occur in non pregnant patients. The causes can be categorized based on the gestational age before or after 20 weeks, and these cover obstetric, gynecologic, and non obstetric conditions. Differential diagnosis during pregnancy include, that is before 20 weeks, it may be an ectopic pregnancy, it may be various types of miscarriage, whether it is threatened, inevitable, incomplete, missed, septic abortion, or it may be a round ligament stretching. If it may be an incarcerated uterus, it may be due to malposition of the uterus, it may be an ovarian torsion, it may be a hemorrhagic ovarian cyst or a fibroid degeneration or torsion, or it may be a simple constipation. After 20 weeks, the abdominal pain may be due to labor or preterm labor, placental abruption, placenta previa or vasa previa, uterine rupture, vaginal trauma, HELLP syndrome, which includes hemolysis, elevated liver enzymes, and low platelets, cholestasis of pregnancy, chorioamnionitis, acute fatty liver of pregnancy, placenta accreta, increta, or percreta. How to differentiate abdominal pain at any time during pregnancy? It may be an ovarian torsion or cyst complications. It may be simply due to constipation. It may be due to recurrent urinary tract infections. The cause may be appendicitis, most common non-obstetric surgical cause. The cause may be a gastrointestinal cause, either a bowel obstruction or an appendicitis. That may be a surgical emergency or an acute abdomen. It may be a non-obstetric medical cause like sickle cell crisis or inflammatory bowel disease. So we divide into before 20 weeks, after 20 weeks, or at any time during pregnancy. These are the differential diagnosis of abdominal pain in pregnancy. Evaluation typically requires a thorough clinical examination, laboratory tests including blood count, liver function tests, kidney function tests, urine analysis, pregnancy tests, and pelvic ultrasound primarily. Imaging with MRI may be considered if ultrasound is inconclusive. Serious conditions like ruptured ectopic pregnancy, placental abruption, uterine rupture,